Hello and good evening, dear parents. Today, I, Kshitij Upadhyay, along with my fellow mates, Aviral, Diksha, and Divij, in front of you all with our very own keen project, the Space Invader. To talk in brief about the program, please let me introduce Diksha Pandey.
Thank you, Kshitij. Now, moving forward to know about the overview of the program. The main objective of the game named Space Invader is to pan across a screen and shoot the descending swarms of aliens that are the enemies from reaching the bottom of the screen. For running the spacecraft, we need to press the left or right key, and for shooting the bullet, we need to press the space bar. Now, the enemy will descend one step down as it hits one of the wall of the screen, and if there is a collision between the spacecraft and the enemy, then the user would be eliminated. Now, moving forward to Divij for further details.
Thank you, Diksha. So first we initialized Pygame and made a window where we will play the game. The whole window can be considered as a coordinate axis, with the horizontal being the x-axis and the vertical being the y-axis. Then we created various objects of the game, like player space shuttle, enemy space shuttle, and bullet. We set their coordinates and wrote statements that would change the position of these as the game continues. The major part of this game is controlled by the while loop. A loop is something that is used to run similar functions multiple number of times. The loop contains various statements that perform functions like changing coordinates of player, bullet, etc. At the last of the program, we have statements that would display the score at the right corner of the game screen and update the contents of the game window with each loop run. Now, let us move over to my friend Aviral, who would be showing the gameplay of the Space Invader.
Thank you, Divij. Here comes a short gameplay of Space Invader. The player controlling the space shuttle can only move across the screen and can shoot one bullet at a time. As soon as the bullet collides with the enemy object, player's score is increased and the object is transferred to the top of the screen and the game continues. I have fast forwarded the game to show what happens if the player is unable to hit an enemy. At last, the enemy collides at the bottom and the game is over. The following game can be downloaded by the given link. Just download the .exe file and extract it from the destination folder. After extracting the files, a folder named dist will be created. In the same folder, the final application is present. When we double click on that application, the game starts, and it doesn't need a source code compiler. This way is commonly used by most of the professionals to send their game to anyone without sharing the source code of their game.
So, yeah, that's all for the program. We hope you people like this short and simple program. Thank you. Thanks.